Hi, my name is Chloe from Phonics Passport Destination Reading. Today we are going to learn about the UFLI take-home kits from HCPS Reads.
This school year, your child's teacher will be using the UFLI Foundation's program for reading and spelling instruction. Your child will be learning new concepts, sounds, and letter patterns to build their skills in reading and spelling words. The UFLI Foundation's program includes home practice sheets to help families support their child's learning at home. This is a guide on how to use these UFLI Foundation home practice sheets. Your child will be bringing home a UFLI take-home kit from HCPS Reads. You can see an example on the side of what will be included inside the take-home kit. You will have a primary lined paper inside the sheet protector to create a whiteboard for students to practice writing letters, words, and sentences. Cut out the letter tiles from the white paper. Students can use these tiles to spell words that are spoken out loud to them. Do not cut the yellow letters. Students can match the individual white letters to the yellow letter sheet. Weekly reading and spelling home practice guides give specific directions each week for what letters, words, and sentences your child should be practicing based on what they have learned in class. The home practice sheet will have the new concepts listed at the top with a list of sample words for each concept. Instead of having your child memorize these words, use them to help your child practice applying what they have learned about letters and sounds. To read words, your child should say the sound for each letter or letter combination. For example, crib, k, b, and then blend the sounds to read the word, crib. To spell words, your child should break the word into sounds and write the letter or letter combinations for each sound on their whiteboard.
Chloe, you have been learning about the letter R in class.
Yeah.
We're going to practice writing words with the letter R.
Okay.
When I say the word, I want you to sound it out and write it on your whiteboard. Ready?
Yep.
Here we go. The first word is crib. Crib. What sounds do you hear in the word crib?
B. Crib, 4 sounds.
The next word is drop. Drop. Make sure you sound it out as you write the word. Drop.
Drop, 4 sounds.
Next word, brag. Brag. Sound it out.
G. 4 sounds. Brag.
Next word is fret. Fret. Fret means to worry.
Fret, 4 sounds.
Great. The next word is grab. Grab.
Grab, 4 sounds.
And the last word is trip. Trip.
4 sounds. Trip.
Excellent.
Your child will also learn to read and spell irregular words. These words have a tricky part, and that part needs to be learned by heart. The rest of the word can be sounded out. An asterisk next to a word indicates that the word is temporarily irregular. This just means your child hasn't yet learned all the letter sound connections in the word.
Chloe, next we're going to work on our new irregular words, also known as heart words. Our heart word is from. What's the word?
From.
What sounds do you hear in the word from?
4 sounds.
Which part is our heart part?
The O.
The O is our heart part. In the word from, it sounds like instead of O or ah. So the O is our heart part. We must remember it by heart. What's the word?
From.
Excellent.
When children practice building and changing words using word work chains, they are strengthening their reading and spelling skills. You can guide your child's practice by asking them to spell or read a new word. The sample word work chain script shows how to alternate reading and spelling practice.
Next, we're going to work on our word work chains. Chloe, using your letter tiles, make the word trip.
R. E. P. Trip.
Great. Now, change the T to a D. What word is this?
Drip.
Sound it out, please.
D. R. E. P. Drip.
Now, change the word drip into grip. What sounds do you hear?
G. R. E. P. Grip.
Now, change the P to an N. What word is this?
Grin.
Sound it out, please.
G. R. E. N. Grin.
Great job.
It is important for children to have opportunities to practice applying new letter sound connections in connected text, such as sentences and books. Have your child practice both reading and spelling the sentences provided using their whiteboard.
We are now going to practice writing a sentence. The sentence is, I see a frog. I see a frog. What's the sentence, Chloe?
I see a frog. I see a frog.
What is the first word in our sentence?
I.
I love how you capitalize the I for the beginning of a sentence. The next word is
See. S. E. See.
Chloe, why did you draw a heart above the double E?
Because that's a heart word.
And we must remember it by heart. The next word is
A. A. A.
what do you have so far?
I see a
And the last word?
frog.
Sound it out as you write it.
R. A. G. Frog.
Excellent. I noticed that you added a period at the end of the sentence. Great job. Now go ahead and read the sentence that you wrote.
I see a frog.
For additional resources, check out the UFLI Foundation's website under Parent Resource Hub. Has your child talked about Chloe from UFLI? Well, if you would like to review weekly UFLI lessons with your child, head over to Phonics Passport Destination Reading on YouTube. This is where your child can follow along with Chloe as they learn to read.